Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode. This is Soundrology and you are watching me on Soundrology Spoken English YouTube channel. Today is a very special day because this is my 50th video in this channel. So for the past 1 week, I have been thinking that this 50th video would be more special and surprise to you all. Now finally end up making this video. In this video, I am going to show an amazing vintage motorcycle and I am really excited to show off. So let's get started. Nowadays, there are a lot of bikes coming up in the automobile industries. But there are few legendary bikes that even now we can't forget them. At the end of this video, you will get to know the reason why we have restored this vehicle even after 50 years. This is one of the most iconic bike in Indian history. Rajdoot wfm, around 55 years old vehicle. Can you believe it guys? Because this is much better than modern days showroom vehicle. While restoring this vehicle, the engine was fixed up by 95 years old man, who was the bike technician in Rajdoot company in 1960s. Now let me give you a walk around of this beautiful motorcycle, so let's get started. Before moving on, let me tell you one thing, everything is properly restored in this vehicle. Now I will show you how, then you will get a clear picture of it. Here is your handle. This bike got the original WFM's handlebar. This is your ignition and headlight switch. Next, look at the speedometer. After the restoration, we have driven only 927 kilometers. This is WFM's original clutch lever. Next to that, a very good comfortable grip for easy handling. This is headlight dimmer. This is your horn. Then I would like to tell you about its paint job. As you can see, the paint job on this vehicle strikes so well. And you can see the white lines over here which also stand out. And also I love this font style man. Now this is a single screw which connects the fuel tank with this vehicle. In the sense, if you unscrew this particular one, you can easily take out the fuel tank from the vehicle. Now this is the original leather seat which gives a little bit of a cushion while riding. Also on this side is your advanced locking system. If you lock this with your key, the complete acceleration system will be locked. Now let me show you how it works actually. See guys, now the acceleration system is totally locked. This is really very cool idea man. This is the original grip tire which comes particularly for Rajdoot. We got this tire from the old stock shop. This is 20 years old grip tire. Next, this is your headlight. Only a 1960s vehicle you can find this kind of headlight. It almost looks like an egg-shaped oval figure. Because in 1970s they had changed it to square-shaped headlight. When comparing both, this 1960s oval-shaped headlight is one of the best ever design in Rajdoot. And also the silencer. It's very straight as you can see and ends with a very sharp design. The Rajdoot is accommodated with a very good suspension. Now let me show you how it functions actually. So now let's talk about what's powering the motorcycle. It got a 175cc engine. As you all know, Rajdoot wfm is a 2-stroke motorcycle. Now let me show you what this engine is mated to. It's mated to 3-speed gearbox. Yeah, only 3 gears are there, so it will make your ride easier. The gear system is 1 down, 2nd and 3rd up. This is the kick of the motorcycle. Before starting this vehicle, let me tell you one thing. It's a 175cc engine, so don't kick hard enough. If you kick so hard, the engine will kick you back. So we have to be very careful. Now let me show you how to give a perfect kick. And one great thing about the motorcycle is you can't find plastic anywhere. Everything is made of metal. As you can hear the sound, everything is made of metal. This is the special of this vehicle. If you guys have some good memories with this bike, do comment below and let me know your feelings about this bike. Our next video is Willys Jeep, so do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. I will meet you soon in another interesting video. Till then, take care. It's me signing off.